Manjushri Deshpande. I'm staying in Vashi, Sector 14, and I did my 22nd YT course, which first in Vashi Yoga Bhavan. Yes, I'm a graduate, and after that YTC, I did my Swadhyay Naturopathy course. And since after that, I'm working here or serving here in Yoga Vidya Niketan as a teacher. Between say 10 years, I had a long gap, but after also I joined, and last 6 years I'm again as a teacher in Yoga Vidya Niketan. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Manjushri ma'am. Golkar, Pradeep Golkar sir, are you there?
Golkar sir is there.
There. But Golkar sir.
Audible is.
Spotlight Golkar sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Golkar sir, you can introduce yourself, sir.
Yes. Hello. Can you hear?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes.
I'm Pradeep Golkar. I'm BSc DC civil engineer. I did my 27th YTTC, and after that I had done the therapy, and after that then I advanced diploma in yoga from Bombay University. And last 18 years I'm serving in Yoga Vidya Niketan. I'm teaching in morning batch, 6:30 batch. I'm staying at Sanpada, Sector 3. I'm sure that all of you will enjoy this YTTC course. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Golkar sir, so much. Ramanathan sir, are you there?
I am there. I already done my introduction.
Okay, thank you, sir, so much. Sangeeta, she has joined late. Sangeeta Karthik, have you given your introduction today? Sangeeta Karthik?
Hello? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You finished?
No, I haven't. Actually, I joined on this Monday only.
I was last
that
one,
is
M17 that day.
Yeah, I know. Sangeeta is 18. So I'll just spotlight.
Shall I?
Yes.
I'm sorry, my internet is a little slow. I don't know if it's getting stuck. Okay, so I'm Sangeeta Karthik, and I was working with Asian Paints for the last 6 years. And my mother has done 40th YTTC from Yoga Vidya Niketan Vashi branch. And I have also learned yoga from Savan sir like around 8-9 years back, and that was the first motivation I had to take up yoga as a really great thing for me. And post that, I could not get in touch with Savan sir because I shifted to Mulund post marriage, and then I came back to Nerul. I was working for so many years, and last 2 years I tried to take up this course, but somehow since I was working I could not manage this. So now I have left my job and I am planning to take this up as a full-time passion. That's it.
Thank you, Sangeeta, so much. it's wonderful to hear that your mother has also taught, has taken admission here and she had learned from here, and as well as you have joined now. Very good, no? Yes. I'll hand over to another group, Gorakshnath group. So I would like to call one of the teachers, can take over. Bela ma'am.
Yes.
You can introduce your students, Bela ma'am, from G group.
Yes, roll number 1, G1, Sangeeta Baeti. I would like to call Sangeeta, G1, to introduce. You all sit near your cameras, so it will be much more clear audible. Be near to your cameras. Unmute yourself. Not audible. Sangeeta, you are not audible.
No, Sangeeta ji, what happens, if there is a phone call, then that audio goes. So better better you leave and join. I think she's not able to listen to us. She might be able to listen to us, perhaps. You leave and once again join. Till that next member, madam. Let her leave and join once again.
Let us hear from Meenakshi Banjan. G2, Meenakshi. Are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Meenakshi, please start. G2, Meenakshi. Can you hear?
Unmute. Now, I've already started talking. I realize it's been unmuted only now. Okay, so are we doing introductions? I missed the last lecture on anatomy and physiology, and I believe all the introductions being done at that time. I missed that. So is this going to be an introduction session for the teachers and the students?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, correct.
Are we covering anything specific, or I just tell very briefly about
name, education, where do you stay, occupation. That's all. Very brief introduction. Yeah.
Right. So my name is Meenakshi Banjan, and I stay at Anushakti Nagar. That's BRC colony. I have done my BSc Physics and MBA in Human Resource. I've been working in corporates for close to 15 years plus. I have taken a little break after my father passed away last year, and I have taken on this course on multiple fronts. Meanwhile, I've taken HR assignments to keep up my career as well. So I'm doing this simultaneously at the moment. Thank you, everybody, and really.
Meenakshi, any specific hobby?
I have lots of them. I sing, I love to dance, I paint, sketch, singing, dancing, painting, sketching.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Next is Vijay Bhatt, G3.
Hello, namaskar, everybody. I'm Vijay Bhatt, and I live at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, but belong basically to Uttarakhand, city in Uttarakhand, Halwani, and right now I'm managing my work and everything from Halwani. So about my profession, so I've around more than 15 years of experience right now working with a pharmaceutical company in Takeda, managing business operations for Western India and Sri Lanka. I got inspired by my wife, who did her YTTC in 42nd batch, which was Niru Bhatt. And as Sawant sir rightly said, that this is more of your total transformation course. So the transformation which I was able to see in my wife, and I really got inspired for her. And then I was last year only I decided that I will definitely go for this course, but because of my work where I have to travel continuously, I was not able to join. But fortunately, this Corona brings this blessing that I've been able to join it, and this online, and then I think I will be able to manage the attendance at the later part also. So this is a brief about myself, and look forward to get lot of learnings through yoga from all the dedicated teachers. Thank you.
Nice to see you, Mr. Vijay Bhatt. And families are joining one by one, family members. Thanks a lot. Next is Chaudhary Vaishali, G4. G4 Chaudhary Vaishali.
Yes, ma'am. नमस्ते माझं सर्वांना. माझं नाव वैशाली चौधरी आहे. मी मॅरिड आहे. मला 2 मुलं आहेत. एक मुलगी, मोठी लहान मुलगा आहे. सासूबाईंना आम्ही इथे सोबत असतो. घनसोलीला असतो आम्ही सेक्टर 7 ला. माझं एज्युकेशन BSc B.Ed झालेली आहे. आणि आता सध्या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये मी मार्केटिंगचं काम सुरू केलंय आणि YTTC चा कोर्स पण जॉईन केलाय. आणि मला आध्यात्मिक पुस्तकं वगैरे वाचायला खूप आवडतं. सोशल राहायला आवडतं. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Vaishali. Now G5 Mona Lisa. G5 Mona Lisa.
Just a minute, Bhela ma'am. Bhela ma'am.
Yes.
I just got a message that G1 is ready to talk. G1 is now ready to talk. So after her, you can.
Yes, yes. After Mona Lisa, let her come.
Oh, okay.
G Mona Lisa, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I thought she'll speak first. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, 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 audible.
Okay. I am Mona Lisa Das. I stay in Nerul. I've done my bachelor's in IT and computers and my master's in arts, and I work as a designer. And I wanted to do this course for the past 2-3 years, but somehow it didn't work out. Like either work did not allow, and last year I almost took admission, but I had a fracture, so I had to postpone it. So finally this year, like everything sort of aligned, and I'm able to do this course. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you, Mona Lisa. G1 Sangeeta, if you are ready, you can come forward. G1 Sangeeta. Start, please.
G2, you have to spotlight Sangeeta. G1, you have to spotlight.
If still she is not there, we will continue with Vidula Dashputre.
Yeah.
G6.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Vidula Dashputre, staying at Conwell. I am having one son and one daughter-in-law. I am BSc with analytical chemistry and MBA marketing. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Sadicha, G7.
Yes.
Gangurde.
Good evening, everyone.
Sadicha.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Myself, Sadicha Gangurde. I stay in Kurla. I done my graduation from Ramana Durya College of Matunda. I am doing job at hardware company as an accountant. Thank you.
Thank you. Vimal Gori. Roll number 8. G8.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. I am audible?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Vimla Gori. I stay at Pupar Kherne. I am housewife, having one daughter and twin sons. I tried last year also, but it didn't work. So I am very fortunate to having admission this year. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Thanks, Vimal. Zoshi Poonam, G9.
Yeah. Good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is Poonam Joshi. Right. I am influenced with some of my colleagues. Like they insisted me that that this is a good way of understanding things in a nice way, so that we can understand, we can manage with our own emotions while working, or while managing family, or in a workplace, right? So, and I got a very good feedback from my friend as Neeru Bhatt, right? Just now Vijay Bhaiya said that she is also my inspiration, and she only insisted me that this is the way, this is the best platform where we have to come. And I think that I joined so late, it could be bit earlier, but anyways, looking forward for getting a good practice also. And I'm living in Kharghar, having 2 kids. This is all about. And I'm working in Ryan International School also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Poonam. The credit goes to our Guruji, respected Guruji, and our Sawant sir. The course staff is so nice that inspiration goes throughout.
Thanking all the teachers who are from day one, they are inspiring us. The way they are managing all of us, all the mistakes. Many times we are doing so much mistakes, but thanks a lot, sir.
Next is G10 Yogita. Unmute करा. हाँ बोला.
मी योगिता, मी मॅरिड आहे, मला 2 मुली आहेत आणि मी एका चार्टर्ड अकाउंट फर्म मध्ये ॲज अ अकाउंट म्हणून काम करते आणि मी कल्याणला राहते.
Thank you. G11 Mane Suvarna.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Suvarna Mane. I stay at Kharghar. I am married, having 1 daughter. I have completed my TY BCom in commerce field, and I am numerologist. And my hobby is singing, like bathroom singing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We can't see you. Actually, you were not on spotlight. Next is More Priyanka.
At least give a thumbs up that I am that person. Okay. Just now who spoke? Just now who spoke?
Suvarna is there. G10 is there. I didn't saw G12 Priyanka.
Okay.
Just
G11.
Give me.
Vandana madam and Varma sir, please spotlight.
G11 को हमने देखा ही नहीं.
Just a minute. Give me time to. Where?
Vandana madam, make me a co-host.
Yes,
I will
sir.
manage.
Yes. And make all mute. Only those who want to speak will unmute. So many mics are on unnecessary. That gives some.
कम से कम हमको अपने ग्रुप से फेस टू फेस मालूम पड़ेगा कौन है जी ग्रुप के लोग.
Yes.
जैसे G11 को और एक बार स्पॉटलाइट कीजिए तो हम देखना चाहते हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट को.
Just wait, Madhurika madam, wait कीजिए मालविका madam. I'm just doing.
Yes.
Suvarna, are you there? Raise your hand, no?
Yes, ma'am.
She's there.
Yeah. Wait. I got it just now. Yeah. Is it correct?
Okay. Got it. Yes. Fine.
You are G12 Priyanka, or please tell your name.
Good evening all. Myself Dr. Priyanka More. I am staying at Kamute with husband and daughter. I was working as a quality analyst at US Health Best Care at Airoli. Just 2 months back, I resigned my job for preparing my MD final year exam. I inspired yoga when I joined Yoga Vidya Niketan Summer Camp 2019.
Where are you? G12.
G11 is on spotlight.
So just now who spoke? It is G12, isn't it?
No, she was. I think
G11.
She was G11.
Dr. Priyanka talked, but we didn't see her.
That is what.
Madam, Bandana madam,
Yes, sir.
please make
Just
Santosh sir
yeah,
co-host
yeah,
first.
yeah. I'll just
Your job will be reduced.
yeah. Sir Santosh, Santosh sir. Now you are co-host also.
संतोष सर प्लीज G12 का जस्ट फेस दिखाइए.
This is the G12.
Okay. Okay, Priyanka.
Okay. Thank you. Now G13, Hari Narayan. G13, Hari Narayan. Mr. Hari Narayan.
मैडम G11 अभी तक किया नहीं उनका.
नमस्कार. My name is Hari Narayan Ratha.
Sir,
G11 को मिस किया आपने. उसको
नहीं सर, मिस नहीं किया. स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं आई वो सिर्फ.
हाँ, G11 हमने सुना है.
I'll speak.
Yes, please.
Yeah. My name
Let
is Hari.
G13 speak.
Yes.
Okay. Namaskar. My name is Hari Narayan Ratha. I stay in Sanvada Millennium Tower. I am a chartered accountant by profession. I also play tennis and I am a triathlete. That's all.
Sir, where do you stay?
Sanvada Millennium Tower.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Host, 1 minute. Host, madam, 1 minute. Hosts and co-hosts, please mute everybody. So those who want to speak only will unmute themselves. So many microphones are on and that gives some sound disturbance, Make everybody mute first. Thank you. Now you can start. Next, madam. Unmute, madam.
Madam, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Bhela, madam, you unmute because everybody is muted now.
Myself, Ankita Sahu. I'm from Odisha. I'm living in Murun.
Wait. Bhela, madam, you unmute first yourself. Bhela, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you unmute. Yeah. And now you tell to whom you are calling. Ankita Sahu.
Ankita
G14.
Sahu. Ankita
Yeah.
Sahu.
Fine.
Ankita Sahu,
please
yes,
carry on, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I have recently completed my HSC. And
Not
I
audible.
joined yoga with my Now I'm audible?
Yes.
Not clear.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए.
Volume is less.
Now?
Speak little bit louder.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I have completed my HSC recently, and I joined yoga diploma with the reference of my mother's yoga teacher. I'm thankful to IBM that I'm not eligible for this course due to my age, and then to your giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
I hope you are the youngest participant. Thank you, Ankita. Next, G15, Vimal Singh. G15, Vimal Singh.
Yeah, namaskar. I'm audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friends. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Bimal Kumar Singh. I stay very near to YBN, but not as near as Neha ma'am. I stay in Sector 17, Vashi. Okay. Since 1998, I have done my engineering way back in 1995 from PICT Pune University. And then I went back to Delhi for doing the MBA and was working with the HCL. And then I transferred back to Mumbai in 1998 and then from then I was working with a Samsung, and I did my MBA also from Delhi. And then I started my business in year 2000. I'm married. I have 2 kids, 1 son and 1 daughter. I have a pretty long relation with YVN. I started my summer course in 2010, May 2010 precisely, I remember that. And then from then, I do not exactly remember how many times, but at least minimum 5 times I did my summer course at the YVN center only, because I stay nearby. And then last year, I took the admission for YTTTC also. But due to my health reason, I could not go forward beyond 1 month. So this year also, I have rejoined back and taken the admissions. And I'm hopefully, and I'm confident I'll complete this year. Thank you very much to all of you.
Yes, sir. Where there is a will, there is a way. God will help you. God will bless you. Next, G16, Sona Manoj.
Unmute yourself. Sona ji, unmute yourself. You are unmuted. Not audible.
Start speaking.
Not audible yet. Please check your audio settings.
Hello. What happens? Supposing in between you would have received phone, sometimes that audibility goes. So what you do, you leave, and once again join. Till that, let us go for the next participant, G17. You leave and come back, madam. Join
G17,
again.
Soni Sharad. Soni Sharad, G17.
He is not there, Bella ma'am.
I had seen him in the beginning.
Yeah,
अभी नहीं है मीटिंग में
अभी
फिलहाल.
नहीं है.
Okay, okay. I'll put cross. G18, Sachin. Recently joined.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Sachin, and this is my first class. First thing first, I'd like to thank all the teachers for their dedication and putting this thing online so that everyone can join from the comfort of their homes. I've just completed my HSC, and I am an aviation enthusiast. I have completed my theory training in commercial pilot license, and I'm looking forward to this course because right now I have a lot of time. I cannot go for flying, and I cannot do whatever I have to do as my future because of the and hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I just thought what I could do, and how I could make a useful how I could make my time useful. And the first thing that came to my mind was focusing on your health and mind. And when that came up to my mind, I have 2 inspirations in my house. My dad, who completed his yoga teacher training 5 years back from YVN, and my mom. They both are yoga practitioners from last 7 to 8 years, and they look absolutely young, and everybody actually appreciates them for that. And that has been my inspiration. They both are my inspiration, and that's it. And my hobbies are reading, writing, and aviation is one of my hobbies. So thank you. I look forward to make a good amount of knowledge and improve my health and mental state. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now, may I know Santosh sir, Sangeeta Baheti?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Sona Manoj is there.
Can you hear me now, ma'am? I am Sangeeta. Ma'am, G1 Sangeeta, can you hear me?
No, Yeah, Jeevan, wait.
I can hear
Just
you,
now.
but you are not on spotlight.
Yeah, I don't know why. I am here.
Sangeeta, just wait.
Okay,
Let
okay.
Sona speak.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Let Sona speak. G16 Sona is on spotlight. Let her speak. Sona, please go ahead. आप किसी भी भाषा में बोल सकते हैं, अनम्यूट करके बोलिए। नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है, नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है बिल्कुल भी।
एक हेलो आया और फिर म्यूट हो गया।
हाँ।
Yes, yes.
Can you hear
audible.
me now? Yes, 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 yes.
हाँ हाँ.
We can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, friends and teachers. My name is Sona Manoj. I live at Palava City, Dombivli. I've done my postgraduate diploma in computer application, and I've done fashion designing from NIFT, and I worked as a UCMAS instructor, that is Universal Concept of Mental Arithmetic System, for 8 years. I've been doing yoga for past 12 years, and I'm very passionate about yoga, and I'm enjoying here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Now G1, Sangeeta, can you hear? Are you there, Sangeeta?
You unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I am Sangeeta Baheti, and I live in Vashi. And I had been teaching at Agnes for 10 years. And it says that learning never ends. So I went to do counseling at SMDT, and at present I'm doing MA in psychology from IGNOU. So I would not call myself a fitness freak, but yeah, fitness was always my goals. So I'd always been doing the gymming, the Zumba and everything, swimming. But at the end of the day, everybody used to tell me, ma'am, stretch hota hai, ma'am, warm up hota hai. And I thought when I joined yoga that everything came down to yoga. So this was my second half of century, like, half century. Neha ma'am inspired me कि अगर आपको इतना अच्छा लगता है तो आप ये योगा टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग भी कर लीजिए. So here I am, and I'm really enjoying this course, and I really would want this COVID thing to end and come and meet you all teachers and my fellow students and do all of it together. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you to hear all participants from G group. Good luck and best wishes on behalf of all teachers for our future yoga teachers. Looking forward to you all. Thank you. Over to Sawan sir.
Thank you and welcome all. Now it's Jalandhar Nath.
Sir, excuse me, sir. One is left from M group. That is Ankita Rajapurkar. Are you there, Ankita? Ankita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah, sir. I'll spotlight her. Yes, Ankita.
Yeah, hello everyone and good evening, respected teachers. Myself, Ankita Rajapurkar Patil. I am just married before the lockdown has started, and I stay in Thane now. I have done my bachelor's in mass media. I am a photographer as well as yoga practitioner since 4 years back. I have done my teacher training course 3 years back from the Yoga Institute Santa Cruz, and I have done my 15 days yoga summer course from YTTC, and I'm glad to be a part of this institute, and I am really thankful. Thank you.
Welcome, Ankita. Over to you, sir. over to J group
Jalandhar
teachers.
Nath.
Yes.
Jalandhar Nath, yes. Who is
Sir,
it Sharma
I
sir
can
or
do
Das
it.
sir?
Can I do?
Whoever has planned. Okay, whoever has planned.
Sir, I would like to call J1 Esha Chemburkar.
Esha ji, start your.
Yeah, hi teachers. This is Isha Chemburkar, and my family is the origin of my family is from Mumbai itself. So my mom is Pararkar, she is from Lower Parel, and my dad is Chemburkar, so he's from Chembur. And yeah, and I just passed my 12th ISC, and now I'm doing my bachelor's in arts from St. Andrews, Bandra. And last year I tried joining YTTC because I knew this through my mom's friend, but because I was late and also because of my age factor, I couldn't join it. So this is the first thing I'm doing after I'm turning 18, and I'm really glad to join this. I feel that I'll take up this as my profession as well. So without wasting time, I'm doing it. Yeah, that's all.
Very nice. Very nice to hear youngsters coming in. All of you who are just out of HSC or just doing your college and learning this, very nice to hear that. So now let's go on to Swarnalata Dakwa, J2. Boliye Swarnalata.
Namaste everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Myself Swarnalata Dakwa. I stay in Airoli. I have done Masters in Commerce. I was working as a financial analyst. 3 years back, I quit my job, and there I started. That time I started practicing yoga, and my yoga teacher's name is Sagarika Salvi. So she motivated me to join this course. So here I am, looking. I just want my health and my mental state to improve. So just waiting for this.
Welcome.
Thank you
To the family.
Thank
you. J3, Jadhav Pratibha, next.
And I am audible?
Yes, Pratibha, boliye.
Good evening all, namaste. Myself Pratibha. I am married with 2 children. I am staying in Nerul, Seawood. I am housewife and start business also. My hobby is traveling and reading. Namaste.
Namaste. Next is J4, Shweta Jain. Yes, Shweta, you're unmuted.
Good evening, everyone, and I hope everyone's safe and healthy. I stay in Vashi, and I've been a student of yoga since past 8 years. And since my children have now become independent this year, one is 18 and one is 21, so now I have enough time to learn to become a yogic teacher, and that's all.
Next we have Deepti Kambli, J5.
Am I audible?
Yes, Deepti, bola.
Hello friends, hello teacher. My name is Deepti Kamli. I stay in Vashi Sector 10. I have done my MCOM from MCC College, Mulund, and done my PGDBA in Finance from Symbiosis University. I also done web page designing. I have worked of 11 years, and I'm married. I have one daughter. Since 2 years, I'm not working, and I'm fitness freak. And my hobbies are I just bake party cakes. Party cakes, cookies, and painting, and fabric painting,
Wow.
etc.
Wow.
Right.
So we should look forward to cakes, no? Welcome. Next is Manisha Kature, J6.
Am I audible?
Yes. Boliye.
Hello.
Boliye, sunai de raha hai. We can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are quite audible.
Good evening. First of all, I bow my head towards Nimbarkar. Good evening, Sawant sir. Good evening.
My name is Manisha Kature. I done my from Pune University at Nashik. I'm married. I have 2 kids. When, shifted in Airoli last 4 years back. From there, I was searching for yoga classes, and I come to know about yoga. But my first name is Sangeeta. Sangeeta. I did her 7 days course and from her, and I'm learning South Indian classical since last 4 years, and that's all. Thank you.
Good. Next we have Ganesh Maske, J7.
Respected teacher and Sawant sir, good evening to all of you. Myself Ganesh Maske. I am staying in Kharghar. I have done my BTech in chemical engineering. I am working in ONGC oil industry from last 17 years. I'm yoga lover basically, and I used to do yoga, but through television and like this only. When I transferred here in Bombay in 2017, I have done my YVN course, summer course in 2018, and Chipani ma'am and Uma ma'am was there, all this thing. So where I met most of the YVN teacher also, and Sawant sir also that time. So I got very inspired with Sawant sir and all these things. That time I don't know Omkar Sadhana also, how to, I used to do Omkar Sadhana. That time I asked Sawant sir also how you are pronouncing, and the way Sawant sir pronounced was very difficult. That time I got, and the technique what was taught in 2018 by YVN was very, I got very tremendous benefit in 2018. From 2018 I am doing the yoga continuously. Recently last 2-3 months I am not doing. My wife Priya Maske is already last year YVN teacher. She has done the teacher course. I had 2 kids, and I'm wishing all of us, my other colleagues, friends, best. Thank you.
Welcome, Ganesh. Next we have J8, Munira Naushad. Yes, Munira. Yes. Speak up. Yes. Little low volume. Come near, yes. Speak a little loudly. Maybe you have a speaker on.
Come near to the device.
You come near the device.
Now, am I audible properly?
Yes, that's better. That's better. Yes, Munira.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. I'm Munira Rangara. I stay at Thane. I was doing medical transcription for last 12 years, and now I have taken a break. I have 2 daughters. My elder daughter is doing her master's in medical biotechnology in Canada, and my younger daughter is doing her last year in interior designing. So now I have decided now to give attention and do what I want. So I have started with yoga. I was practicing yoga for last few years, and looking forward to learn more. And there is a lot of difference learning from YVN, and I'm really enjoying it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Munira. Next is J9, N Pushpamala.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, everybody. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Boliye.
Okay. I'm Pushpamala. I'm a housewife, and I have done MSc in Physics and BA. And I am affiliated to yoga for a long time. On and off, I am joining the courses and all. This time I joined the summer course. Then I thought during that YVN course also I have joined. I am doing it in the morning batch.
The global
so
one.
I feel the energy level difference, and so I thought I will continue this and I'll go deeper into this. So I started join that teacher training course. I stay at Nerul West, Seawoods. I have a daughter who is in college 2nd year. That's it.
Okay, Pushpamala, welcome. Next is J10, Amit Nagrik.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Amit. Please
Yeah,
go ahead.
I am Amit Nagrik. I am a doctor by profession, a kidney doctor to be precise. And I initially had done 2 to 3 summer courses, and I wanted to do this teacher training course earlier. But because of time, since I used to have practice in the evening, I was not able to do it earlier. But with lockdown, since I am having time in the evening, I have joined this course now. And I hope to achieve 2 benefits. One is to improve myself and improve my health basically. And second is if some of these things could be of benefit to my patients, then I want to explore that thing also in the future. So that's why I just wanted to learn more about it, and that's why I've joined this course. Thank you.
Welcome, doctor. Next, we have Prafulla Parekh, J11.
Good evening, everybody. I am Prafulla Parekh, staying in Suits. I am doing yoga since many years. Learned from learned from Sawant sir in 2014-15 when I was staying in Nehru East. Doing yoga intermittently, but I want to take it seriously and want to make it a way of life. So I thought this is the only right place and right course to join. And I want to learn so many things from all the respected teachers. And I don't know, I will be a good teacher or not, but I want to make this yoga a way of life, and I want so I have joined this course. Thank you.
Best thoughts, best thoughts. The next person is Sanjay Patil, J12.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, friends, respected teachers. Pranam Dandavat Sawant sir. Myself is Sanjay Patil, working with Industry Department, Government of Maharashtra since 30 years. I had worked with CIDCO. I stay in Nerul, Sector 18. Basically, I am engineer town planner by profession. I had done my graduation from College of Engineering, Pune, and post-graduation from School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi. Basically, my interest had developed because of my wife. She's a student of Sawant sir since 2008. In 2010, I had developed some back pain. So ultimate credit goes to Sawant sir. It had been totally cured because of yoga. And I had done some small courses under the guidance of Sawant sir during the lockdown. And now I want to develop myself and yoga being a way of life. That's why I am here. Thank you. Thank you. Pranam Dandavat. Dandavat, everybody.
Thank you, Patilji. And our constant inspiration, Sawant sir. Next is J13, Harshada Rane.
Hi, hello everyone. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Harshada Rane Sawan. I am married. I have done my applied art diploma from Sophia Polytechnic Art and Design Department. Then I have done my foundation art diploma from Model Art, Dadar. And I'm working in Mumbai Educational Trust, Bandra, Bhujbal Knowledge City. And since 12 years, I'm working as a dance teacher, as a choreographer, and as a freelance graphic designer. So my husband is a choreographer in film industry. So कभी कधी मी त्यांच्यासाठी costume designing पण करते. And the best thing, कालच मी योग विद्या निकेतनला जाऊन आले. सगळेच प्रेमळ आहात, तुम्ही सगळेच खूप प्रेमळ आहात. बेसिकली तिकडचे जे काका होते ज्यांनी आम्हाला बुक्स दिले, माय गॉड, ते तिकडेच राहतात, आमच्यासाठी तिकडे राहतात. आणि त्यांनी मला सांगितलं की काळजी घ्या सगळ्यांनी, लवकर या, लवकर लॉकडाऊन संपू दे. आणि सगळंच मिस करतोय. आणि स्पेशली त्या काकांना बघून तर खूप असं वाटलं की आम्ही खूप काही मिस करतोय. खूप म्हणजे खूप. आमच्यासाठी ते तिकडे राहतायत. त्यांनी खूप छान कोऑपरेट केलं. 5-10 मिनिटं मला थांबावं लागलं, त्यांचा लंच ब्रेक चालू होता. पण त्या 5-10 मिनिटात मला खूप असं वाटलं की आम्ही खूप काही मिस करतोय. आणि लवकरच हे लॉकडाऊन संपू दे, आपण सगळे भेटू. आणि एक ऍज अ फॅमिली सगळ्यांना भेटायचं आहे, सगळ्यांबरोबर प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. घरी बसून आय डोंट थिंक सो थोडं तेवढं शिकायला मिळतं जेवढं आम्ही योग विद्या निकेतनमध्ये येऊन शिकू. त्यामुळे सगळ्यांना भेटायची इच्छा आहे. थँक्यू टीचर्स आणि कोऑपरेटिंग अस आणि सगळ्या मिस्टेक सांगायला. थँक्यू सो मच.
You're always welcome, and it is the total blessing of our Guruji that we have such a serene atmosphere and YVN.
Seriously.
Blessings हमारे ऊपर कभी भी रहे उनकी. That is their प्रार्थना there. The next one is Save Kalpishri, J14.
She is not there in the meeting.
Okay.
Next.
Next is Minu Shah, J15.
Hello, I'm Minu. I stay in
please go.
Vaikla. I work with a streaming
Can you
and
go a little
webcast.
back?
I'm sorry?
I cannot see you. थोड़ा पीछे जाएंगे आप? Yes, yes. Speak.
My name is Minu. I stay in Vaikla. I work with a streaming and webcasting company here close by in Mahalakshmi. I've been with the company for the past 20 years. Thank you.
Minu, nice to see you here. I have seen you in the summer course this year.
Yes, I was there. And that was the inspiration. The teaching style is so fabulous. The methodology, the attention to detail, it was great.
Thank you. That's all guidance from Guruji and Savant sir.
Thank you.
Next will be J16, Amrita Singh, Amrita Raj Singh. Yes. Amrita, unmute कीजिए खुद को. Please unmute yourself. Can't hear you. आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. No, no, not yet. नहीं. No, Amrita, can't hear you.
You.
She'll have to go and come back.
Yeah. You leave and rejoin.
Amrita, leave the meeting and join back.
He is back.
Next, madam.
She was the last person.
Shri, I think
There is
J70.
one more, no? Sri Lakshmi.
Yes.
Sri Lakshmi S. One more.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Now. Yes, please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sri Lakshmi. I live in Anchaki Nagar. I am going to complete.
Actually, wait. Sri Lakshmi, wait. Sri Lakshmi,
Okay,
wait.
sir.
Spotlight her.
We can't.
Amrita ji, you leave and rejoin. You got some problem with your microphone. Better you leave and rejoin. She is able to listen or not, don't know.
Can't.
She might be able to listen. Yeah. Sri Lakshmi here. Okay. Sri Lakshmi, come on, continue.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sri Lakshmi. I live in Anchaki Nagar. I am going to complete my BTech from SNDT University, Juhu. I have completed 2 summer courses in 2010 and 14 from BRC. My father has also completed his YTTC 39 batch. Thank you.
So that was wonderful to see all of you, new friends, new students for YVN. Sir, over to you.
What about, whether she's
Sir,
joining
Amrita's
back?
come back.
Amrita just find out.
I think she's come.
Is there any?
Unmute yourself.
Amrita, can you speak up? नहीं आ रही उसकी आवाज अभी भी.
Amrita, you are not audible.
We can't hear you.
सर वो जो ये
Amrita, you are not audible.
वो अभी तक सिस्टम को कनेक्टेड नहीं है इसके वजह से.
अमृता ब्लूटूथ निकाल दो और डायरेक्टली स्पीक.
Correct.
Just remove it and speak.
That's right.
Maybe the device will be able to catch
has
it better.
connectivity.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible now. You can speak. Amrita, you are audible now. You can speak.
Can't she hear us also? I guess she can't hear us, sir.
can't hear you.
Okay, you can try on some other day. No, there is some technical issue. Welcome all and all the best. Santosh sir, will you go for a small 10-minute, 10-12 minute Chaitanya sir? Santosh sir, yeah, let's
Yes,
let
sir.
her try. If at all she can, let us see whether there is an improvement. Yeah,
Shall I
Amrita
take?
ji, whether Amrita can? No,
Not yet.
not at
No,
no.
no,
Okay,
not
okay.
yet.
So go for Chaitanya sir. That's better.
Okay, sir. Let's go for small Chaitanyasana. All of you turning towards one side with support of your hands. Lie down on your back very gently. पीठ के बल लेट जाइए. Adjust your body in such a way on the floor that your legs are apart, comfortably apart. Hands are away. Palms are facing to the sky. Eyes are closed. Settle down. Lie down on your back. Dipti, पीठ के बल लेट जाइए. Adjust your body in such a way that it should be the most comfortable way for you and for your body. Because once we start Chaitanya Asana, there should not be any movement in any body part. तो जो भी एडजस्टमेंट्स करने हैं, जो भी हिलना डुलना है, अभी कर लो. You may check whether your head is comfortable to right or left, whether your hands are comfortable little bit away or little bit near to the body. Do it now only. Once you are settled down, no movements in the body.
Not audible.
Yes, now surrender yourself completely to the gravity. Surrender yourself completely to Mother Earth. Very gently take your mind towards your right leg and start relaxing your toes of the right leg one by one. Starting from the big toe up to little toe, relax all toes one by one. Relax the sole of the right foot. Relax your right heel. Right ankle joint. Right calf muscles. right knee joint, right thigh muscles, very gently shift your awareness towards your left leg. Start relaxing your toes of the left leg. Starting from the big toe, one by one, relax your all toes of the left leg. Sole of the left foot, left heel, left ankle joint, left calf muscles, left knee joint, left thigh muscles, left hamstrings, left hip muscles, left hip joint, once your body parts are relaxed, switch off the communication and move on to the next one. Gently shift your awareness towards your right hand. Start relaxing your fingers of the right hand, starting from the thumb. One by one, relax them all. Your right palm, right wrist joint, back of the right hand, right forearm, right elbow joint, right upper arm, right shoulder, right shoulder blade, very gently shift your awareness towards your left hand, starting from the left thumb, one by one, relax all fingers of the left hand. Left palm, left wrist joint, left forearm, left elbow joint, left upper arm, left shoulder, and the left shoulder blade. Very gently shift your awareness towards your abdomen. Relax the lower abdomen. Relax the upper abdomen. Relax the lower chest. Right side of the upper chest. Left side of the upper chest. Gently take your mind towards the back. Starting from the lower back. Muscles, nerves and vertebrae of the lower back. In a similar fashion, your middle back, upper back, in a similar fashion, your neck, muscles, nerves and vertebrae of the neck region. Gently shift your mind towards the throat muscles, vocal box, vocal cords, thyroid, parathyroid glands. Gently shift your mind towards your facial muscles, your chin, both the cheeks, your jaws, upper jaw, lower jaw, ears, inner sides of the walls of the ears, your upper lip, lower lip, your tongue, gums, hard palate and the soft palate, the nose, nostrils, your eyes, eyeballs, eyelids, eyebrows, your forehead, top of the head, back of the head. One more time, your neck and shoulder blades. Your entire body is now completely relaxed. Feel the relaxation all over the body, in each and every body part. You may feel the heaviness initially. As you are getting deeper and deeper into the relaxation, your body will become lighter and lighter. Experience and enjoy this lightness of the body. Experience and enjoy the relaxation in each and every body cell. Experience the Chaitanyasana until my next instructions. Very slowly bring your awareness back to your own body. Be aware of your both legs and hands. Come back to your body. Give some movements in your toes, in your fingers. Make a gentle twist of your palms. Again relax them. Bring your legs together. Place the left palm below your head. Left palm below your head. Hold your right leg vertically. Slowly turn to your left side. Be there for a while. Experience the relaxation in that position also. With support of your hands, get up and sit on your towels. Eyes are still closed. Sit to your place. Hands on your knees in Drona Mudra. Sit in any comfortable Adharasana, maybe Bharatiya better. Hands on your knees in Drona Mudra. उठ के बैठ जाइए आंखें बंद करके. We'll conclude today's session with one single chant of Omkar. For Omkar, take a deep inhalation and start together. Experience the vibrations of Omkar. Take your own time. You may open your eyes very gently. Thank you, friends. Good night. See you on Sunday. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
There was one, excuse me, friends from G group. G group, I had written a message. I wanted certain students' phone number.